5,000 points Nifty range while creating a Batman. Let me show you first how the 5,000 points range looks like on the chart. This is Nifty daily chart. This is the recent big fall from the top, which you can see. If I calculate it here in front of you, what you will find is that this big huge fall is approximately 3,960, roughly 4,000 points fall, this huge gap downs which we had. Now, we've got this covered. Now let's go to Opstra, create the strategy, and then I'm going to also talk about the adjustment of it. Let's see that. So here we are on the Opstra right now. We do not have to load the current month series. We have to go to the next month and try and create a Batman. But which premium? I'm going to make it easy for you. So here what you see is that I've selected July monthly series, of course, and this is at the money. I look forward to buy a call which is trading approximately 100 points. In this situation, I'm longing a 100-point call. Very easy. And now at the same time, I go for a call which is trading approximately 50, 60 points roughly, and I look to sell 2 calls. Batman is basically 2 ratio spreads on the call side as well as on the put side as well. Call side is done. Let's go to put side now. And this is the put side. And what do you see? This orange one is written here. This is the price of the put. As always, I look to long a 100-point put. How easy selecting a 100-point strike is. And then when we long it, we look to short 2. So here we go. We look to short this one, which is approximately 65, and this is how it's done, right? 1:2, both the sides. This is done, and this is how the Batman looks. One thing which really jump out from the screen for you is the break-evens. The break-evens is really big. As you can see, the upside is 26,300. The downside is 20,462. If I just quickly calculate it for you, so it's going to be more easy. Here we go. 26,338 minus 20,462 comes out to be a range which is approximately 6,000. But this is just the range calculation. Obviously, you can see the probability of profit as per the simulator is more than 90%. But when Nifty don't move, that's all right. But when market starts to move one way, up or down, then Batman starts to struggle in the market. So we're going to talk about exact that. If market do not move at all, if markets stay here, then obviously theta decay can come into place. If you try and sell legs which are closer, naturally what you see here, if market stays in the range, then naturally the ROI also gets impacted. So you can play with the range. You can make it a 5,000 range or 6,000 range. Completely depends on your comfort. The more further you go, the ROI gonna be low. The closer you come, the ROI is going to be higher based on the capital which we deploy as per the simulator. So far, are we clear? Now let's talk about the adjustments. Now, what if markets start to go one-way directional? What is the backup plan using the same margins? How do we do this? If you understand the logic and don't want to guess the next rules, you can check the pinned comment. Now, let's talk about adjustments. So now back to charts, and this is the 1st April, the start of the series, and what we see is that market came down and here market really gone up. This kind of move really surprised many traders. Obviously, when we sell a delta neutral strategy like Batman, we don't want market to trend. But if market do trend, then what's the plan? So let's just load this simulator exactly on April here. And naturally, we make it both the sides. We make it call as well as put side. One thing which I hope you never skipped is that we are making this in the next series. So I hope you're paying attention here. Now here, I haven't loaded the put side because naturally, if market go up, put side the return should be in favorable for us. So I have not loaded that. I've only loaded the call side, which is the challenging side in this situation. So let me go ahead on a simulator and tell you exactly. And as you can see, it's 6th of April now when markets start to move up. I guess market till 21st April, it kind of, really shot up and then it stabilized and then came back. So let's go straight away to 21st of April. We don't like to waste any time, as you know, exactly on the point. And here, what do we see is that market has really gone up. And in this situation, Batman is absolutely fine. That is, that's okay. But if market really trend up, In that situation, call side can be in trouble, can be in losses. One simple fact is that one can definitely exit the call side, and just try to recreate it, the entire Batman, because market can't do both call and put side together. But if you want to do adjustment, then what one can do is very interesting. In that situation, naturally, the call which we bought, that is obviously favorable because market has gone up. But the calls which we sold, in that situation, if the call price really go up, then the entire position should be in losses. In that situation, what we can do is, if market has gone up, we completely square off the put side, free your margin on the put side, exit, book it, done. We only have the call side now. What we can do is, what I can look forward to do is that I square off the call. Which call? Not the entire call, the call, this one, right? This one, which is in trouble, which is obviously, making some kind of a loss. Not much of a big loss here, but it can be, right? Imagine if it's giving you 2, 3, 4,000 rupees loss. Then what can I do is that I square off this particular call, and then this particular leg is what I will roll to the next series, which is June. And I go more further out. And instead of 2 calls, I look forward to sell 3 calls now. Now you may think selling 1 extra call may just take extra margin, right? Remember, you freed some margin when you squared off the put side, you took it off. And then, so I repeat again, this call I'm not touching. Now you can find a lot of adjustment videos about this, right? They square off the entire trade. Why should I square off May? Important, because May, this call should be in the money if market go up. So this remains as it is for me. I square off this, which is a losing side. Go to the next series, more further out, 26,000, 26,200, 26,500, further out, and sell these 2 calls. Or if margin permits, I sell 1 extra call. That way, I can really increase my range on the call side. It's very interesting. Batman strategy is, a lot of people do it for long term, but as soon as market hits some kind of an adjustment, that's where panic sets in. In this video, I've showed you the basic structure of it, the basic adjustment structure of it. People who've been trading, I'm sure they got some kind of an idea about adjustments. If you want me to make another part really explaining the adjustment, you can definitely request in the comment section. As always, I try to honor your request. And if you like the video so far, and if you understand the logic, remember, we are not rolling the entire call side, just rolling the sold into the next month. This is called plain and simple rolling that one can do when creating a Batman. I know why Batman is so popular, because it gives you that kind of a wick. So if market starts to move towards the last, 4 days, that comes into play. Anyways, we're going to talk about that in the next video maybe. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the very best. Take care, signing off. Bye-bye.